listen to the demons. We let them get between us, but none of us are out here